Let's prepare this delicious chickpea curry, that too without onion garlic, and with this I have prepared some nice bhatures. These are no maida pure atta bhatures, that too without any yeast. So if you want this recipe, do let me know in the comment section. And for this curry recipe, I have made it with some very few ingredients, and the best part is that, as I said, you can use this recipe in festivities or celebration, as this is pure Satwik food. Do let me know how this recipe turned out. Stay tuned for the entire recipe. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Source Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. So if you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. Let's begin with this amazing recipe. So for this recipe I have taken a chickpeas or Kabuli chana around 1.5 cup. This amount is perfect for 4 to 5 persons, and I have soaked it in water for around 8 to 12 hours. So better we can, if you soak it in night, overnight, and we can use it the next morning. So anyway, you need to soak it for 8 to 12 hours. Once soaked, I'll cook it in pressure cooker. So here I have added it to a pressure cooker. Water level should be just 1 inch above the soaked chickpeas. And for flavoring, I'll be using 1 black cardamom, 2 to 3 bay leaves and some salt. And to cook it perfectly, you can also use baking soda, 2 pinch, that's it, 2 pinch is perfect. Give it a mix and then I'll cover the lid and I'll cook it in pressure cooker. So here I have mixed it and here goes the lid. Now I need to cook it in high flame for 1 whistle, and then I'll reduce the flame and let it cook for 3 to 4 more whistles in low flame. So here it's the first whistle in high flame, then I'll reduce it and let it cook for 4 whistles more in low flame, and then I'll switch off the flame and wait till the gas resets. Meanwhile, we'll prepare this masala paste. So here I have taken oil 4 to 5 tablespoon in a open pan, and whole coriander 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon and fennel seeds 1 teaspoon. I need to crush them. This mix of 3 spices gives a very nice flavor to our curry. So here I have added it, and in low flame I need to roast this whole spices for around 20 seconds. That's it, 20 seconds in low flame. Make sure the flame is not high, otherwise it can turn bitter. And then to this I'll be adding 2 to 3 green chili chopped and 2 inch of ginger that I have grated. I'll again mix it in low flame with the whole spices so that it gives a very nice aroma. This aroma or tempering is very important, as we are not using any onion or garlic. And to this again I will be adding some Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder for color, normal red chilli powder, Turmeric Powder, Cumin Powder, Coriander Powder. Basically all the dry spices in low flame. Make sure it's the whole process will be making in low flame. And dry fenugreek leaves or Kasuri Methi 1 tablespoon goes in this tempering. This gives a very nice taste and aroma. I'll just mix it. All the spice powder and the roasted dry spices will release tremendous amount of flavors. Once done, I'll add 2 large tomato chopped, and salt half a teaspoon goes in. Make sure you add just half a teaspoon of salt because enough salt we have added while boiling the chickpeas. So I'll just give it a mix in medium flame. After adding the tomatoes, I had increased the flame to medium, and now I'll cover it till 3 to 4 minutes till this tomato soften. So after 3 to 4 minutes, you can see after removing the lid, the tomatoes are still intact but yet they are softened. I'll just use my spatula to smash it, and at this point my chickpeas are done. Let me show you the result. The chickpeas are still intact and yes, they are super soft. This is what we should want. This is what the consistency should be. And now I'll add the boiled chickpeas with the water, and now give it a mix. Increase the flame to high at this point. Till now, at this moment the flame is increased to highest. Make sure the flame should be controlled properly in this recipe. Give it a mix. Once it start to simmer, I'll be adding here the stem of green coriander leaves. This trick always works for me. So here is the secret of Source Food Corner special recipe. Initially we'll be adding green coriander stems, the stems of the green coriander, and then water. I'll be adding hot water that's 2 inch above this chickpeas, because now we need to form a nice gravy. And once it starts to simmer, because already we have added hot water, it will just take few seconds. Dry mango powder I have added, some garam masala powder I have added, and then give it a mix. Add just salt at this stage, because Amchur powder, the dry mango powder, it gives sourness, and you can see it has been bubbling on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. This ensures this chickpeas will release this starch in the gravy. Give it a mix, cover it, reduce the flame to lowest and let it simmer for final 4 to 5 minutes, and this is the result. The chickpeas have released their starch, the gravy has thickened, and the salt I have tasted, it's perfect. And to give the final touch, I'll add around 1 tablespoon of ghee. It's optional, but when we add this, it gives a very nice flavor. And the green coriander leaves, because stems we had already added. Give it a mix, and a final result of this delicious flavorful curry is ready. Chickpea curry without onion garlic, and you can see the consistency. We have not added any potatoes, nor corn flour, nor maida, yet the starchiness of this chickpeas has created magic in the gravy. And you can see the tomatoes, they are still softened, and it looks beautiful in this curry. The consistency is perfect. Try this recipe, goes very well with some puri or roti or paratha. In fact, I have fried some nice bhaturas, that too no maida, pure atta bhaturas without yeast. If you want the recipe, do let me know in the comment section. This is what I had just recorded for reference, and it turned out to be super awesome. Can you imagine pure atta bhaturas without maida, and that too without yeast or curd or yogurt? Yes, this recipe turned out awesome. I was just experimenting with some different combos or different ingredients, and this turned out to be perfect combination for my chole. And this is one of my mini version, that's the regular bhature. So if you want the recipe, do let me know in the comment section below. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Pankajini Satpathy. She writes, "Madam, your cooking was awesome and very tasty." Thank you so much, Pankajini, for your simple and beautiful words. I'm so glad my videos are watched by beautiful souls like you. Thank you for your comments. Stay safe and stay connected. And for today's recipe is this delicious chickpea curry without onion garlic. Do give it a try. You can also follow Source Food Corner in English on Instagram and Facebook. And if you have liked today's video, do give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.